Hello my YouTube friends and welcome to my next video. Today is a very exciting day. Actually tomorrow is more exciting day, but today's video is about packing and getting ready for our vacation. I've been sick for like 4 or 5 days. You can probably tell that from my voice and red nose, you know. So I don't feel very well, but it's much better than it was before. So I hope tomorrow before flight is gonna be better because otherwise I'm gonna die probably. Anyway, today's video is about getting ready for our vacation, so that's why I'm here today. And we're gonna start with creating the list. You know, I like to write everything down so I don't forget anything, so that's what we're gonna do first. And then I need to get my suitcase and put everything in. We have just one check the luggage, so we have to fit. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you details later, but now it's time to get ready for a vacation. So let's start with the list. Okay, we're gonna start with things I have on my mind and maybe I will remember more after, but let's start with definitely chargers, passport, obviously, and wallet, then cosmetics, and obviously clothes. I'm gonna take we're going for 4 days, fully it's like 3 days, so I'm gonna take probably like 3 sweaters, then some leggings, base layer definitely, because it's gonna be cold still, then shoes, I would say like 2 pairs, one winter and one winter but less winter. I don't know if you know what I mean, but I hope yes. What else? And toothpaste, that's what I always forget. So toothpaste and toothbrush. No, these are things you can buy there, but it's better not to spend money and just take it. But worst case, we can buy it there. So always I'm afraid that I forget something and I'm trying to not, but it can happen, you know, especially when my brain is sick. My body is sick and I'm very tired, so my brain doesn't work as it's supposed to work. What else? Water bottle. Definitely. What else? Socks. Some t-shirts. Homeware. That means like, you know, pants and like hoodie or something. Jackets, that's probably important. Mittens, winter hat, I guess. Hard drive for content, you know. That should be kind of, for me, probably some medication, a lot of tissues, I guess, and some, you know, pills or some, you know, medical tea. I don't know. Maybe I'll be good tomorrow. We will see, hopefully. No idea. Phone, I'm gonna take phone definitely, and that should be it. We need like the parking permission. Still don't know where we are going, but I'm gonna tell you soon, don't worry. Probably at the airport tomorrow. If I will remember something, I will write it down, but for now I think it's good enough. I think I can't remember anything else now. So yeah, I think that should be good. So let's prepare it, and I would like you to let me know if you can guess what destination we are going to, just because of things I'm gonna take with me. So let me know if you have some guess. So we're gonna do some cleaning before we leave, because the best feeling is to come back to the clean house. So that's what we're gonna do as well, a little bit of cleaning, and we can start now with clothes and important things. So let's get into it. My luggage is there, so I need to get my luggage. So suitcase is down and we need to put their camera backpack close, and that should be probably it. Pretty much done here. I think we're good. Still a lot of room. My uncle has to fit, but I think he's gonna fit. So we are all set for tomorrow. Our luggage is 2 kilos under the limit, which is good. We did check-in as well, so the only thing is we don't have seats beside each other, so we're gonna try to figure it out tomorrow at the airport. We have parking booked for tomorrow at the airport, and I think that's about it. Only thing I'm missing is like, you know, toothbrush, cosmetics. I'm gonna pack it tomorrow, but otherwise I think we are good. Now it's time to clean up a little bit, so I'm gonna do that, and then we are all set, I think. Alright guys, we are done. We cleaned up house, we got our things ready for tomorrow, and tomorrow we're gonna leave morning. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow at the airport. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe so you don't miss any videos of our trip, which is gonna be fun, I promise. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a nap because I want to feel better tomorrow. I feel very hot and still like it's better, but it's not good. So I hope tomorrow is gonna be much better and I will survive the flight. And then we're gonna just rest, play some games, you know, and just to wait for morning to leave finally. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video from the airport.